Hello and greetings from Percentilers. My name is Mayank and you are watching video number 43 of 100 LRDI challenge for CAT 2020. Sehgal Brothers Limited. Please have a look at the set. While you read, I would also like to tell you guys that if you wish to receive these sets in PDF format and also take part in the discussion of hundreds of questions on everyday basis, then please do join our very active WhatsApp group, the link of which is mentioned in the bio of the video. So hope you have read the entire set by now, and we will work it out. We will make a table. As you can see, we will work it out on our own and then we will look at the questions. Let us look for the easiest pieces of information first. So like Malini visits handbook, fair enough. So Malini visits handbook, note it down. This is done. Okay, 8 people report to Suket. Fine, 8 people report to Suket. The number of people reporting to Fagun is half of that reporting to Suket. So 4 people report to Fagun and is greater than the number reporting to operations by 3. Okay, so the person in ops will have 1 person reporting to him. Okay, fine. So we have dealt with this one also. What else? So the person visiting handbook, we know her. The person visiting handbook and the one working in marketing are of different genders. The same is also true for the other 2 people. Okay, this is a little complicated. We'll look at it a little later. So the person working in operations is female. Okay, so I'm going to make a circle for that. So circle will be for female and square will be for male. Let us have a note of this also. Fagun is not in HR. Okay, Fagun is not in HR, and ACADS person visits EarthPay. Okay, having noted that. Okay, so marketing guy is male as mentioned here, and the person working in operations is female, that we know. Okay, now let us have a look at this point. The person visiting handbook and the one working in marketing are of different genders. We know marketing person is male. That means handbook person is female. So Malini is female, that we know. Malini is female. The same is also true for the other 2 people. That means Malini and marketing guy are different from the operations and ACADS guy. Okay, so Malini is visiting handbook. Malini and marketing guys are anyway different. And the word other is very important over here. It tells us that Malini, who is visiting handbook, and the marketing guys are different from these 2 guys because they have mentioned the word other. I hope it is making sense to you. You can pause the video at this point and read this statement again and you will understand what I'm trying to say. Other 2 people, handbook and marketing guys, are different from the other 2 people. Okay, so this tells us that Malini, who is visiting handbook, does not belong to marketing, operations or ACADS. That means she has to belong to HR. This is our finding. And since we know that operations person is female, so ACADS person has to be male, since they said that the same is true for the other 2 people, operations and ACADS, they are of different genders. So we know that HR person is female, who is Malini. Now operation person is also female, and operations person has 1 reportee, 1 person reporting to her. And it cannot be Suket, it cannot be Fagun, and it obviously cannot be Malini. Hence we know that Nita is the person from operations, and we get to know that Nita is also female and Nita has 1 reportee. Now let us look at this point. So marketing person has as many employees reporting to him as the number of employees reporting to the other 3 persons together. Now marketing has to be 1 between Suket and Fagun, and since you understand that marketing guy has the maximum number of people reporting to him, then it has to be Suket. So Suket is from marketing and hence Fagun is from ACADS. Fagun and Suket are men, Nita and Malini are women, and we have figured out the departments also. We have figured out this. We do not need to read this anymore. Okay, and we also can figure out that 8 is the sum of the remaining 3, and we already have 4 plus 1 5. So Malini has to have 3 reportees to her. About the website, so we already know that ACADS person visits EarthPay, and we have, I think, made use of this. The person visiting handbook and the one working marketing are of different genders. We have made use of this and this. So now you can see that all the lines are exhausted. We have made use of everything written in the question. So we are not sure about the websites visited by Nita and Suket. So they have to be in ambiguity. So one of them is Orkut and the other has to be Twitter. So with this ambiguity, we can move ahead to solving the questions. So the first three questions, there are four questions together. The fourth one is a little lengthier, so it's on the other slide. Question one, in which department is Malini working? We have figured out that in the first place, HR it is. How many employees report to Neeta? There is only one employee. Okay, there is one small thing about this question or this kind of question that I want to tell you, that when the answer is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and you know that the options are also numbered as 1 2 3 4, then instead of writing the options like this, sometimes examiner makes the options like this because weird minds work weirdly in different conditions under a lot of stress. There have been instances, and it happens every year with thousands of students, that suppose the answer to this question is 1, people end up marking this because every time in every other question 1 means option 1 to them, but here 1 is the answer to them, so it's actually option 4. So guys, this is a small tip from my side, that be very very clear about it, that what option. So always remind yourself when you are marking the answer that you are marking option number and not the answer. Okay, so whenever you have a question like this, you will always tell yourself that my answer is 1, not option 1, and then check. Okay, third question, who among the following visits Twitter? We have no idea, so it has to be cannot be determined. Had there been an option which said Neeta or Suket, then we would have marked that Neeta or Suket, but there is no such option, so we have to mark cannot be determined. Let us have a look at the fourth question now. Which of the following cannot be a correct combination of name, department, and website? Okay, so let's check. Neeta Operations Orkut. This is possible. This could be Orkut. Fagun Acad's EarthPay. So Fagun Acad's EarthPay is absolutely right. So this cannot be my answer because we have to find which of the following cannot be. Then Suket Marketing Orkut. This can also be true. Okay, but you please understand that both Neeta and Suket cannot be visiting Orkut at the same time. So one of them must be visiting Orkut and the other one must be visiting. Okay, so one between first and third option must be incorrect. We don't know which one, hence I'm not able to mark 1 or 3 with 100% confidence, but now I have an option which says either 1 or 3, so this option becomes the answer to my question. So I hope you understand this, and guys, you can see that there could be other questions as well because there are so parameters over here. There has been no question demanding the gender or substance of the people. So these kind of questions have a lot of scope, a lot of questions can be made, but this one had only 4 questions like this. This was a great set. The most important part of this set was the third piece of information, which said the other people. That was the USP of this set. So guys, hope you are liking our efforts and enjoying our sets and learning a lot from them. Our efforts will continue. Please encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and we really appreciate your time and efforts, and thank you so very much.